Hey friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm dropping in with a new layout that is going in my story album. I'm using the Unexpected Story Kit once again from Ali Edwards to tell this story. It is an unpleasant one for our family. A year ago, just over a year ago now, we experienced a house fire. We were gone for the evening after being home for the day and returned home to a phone call, or had a phone call on our way home that our house was on fire. And these are just some snapshots of the fire. Luckily, it was contained to one side of the house and just the outside of the house as well. So I have a whole new back end of the house now, including a new deck. But it was a pretty intense and unfortunate experience for our family. So I decided to turn this into a double page layout. I'm working on the left-hand page right now. My layout base is 7 inches wide by 8¼ inches tall, so it will be an out of the page protector layout. It's going just directly into my album. The other page is also going to be outside the page protector as well. It's the same size. That page is an oversized photo and it'll be embellished just a little bit. So this is what I'm thinking for how my page is going to go together. I'm going to use the plastic phrase from the kit that says surprise. I'm going to staple that just beneath my photos, which are 2 by 3 inches. I printed them at home and then adhered them to the top of the layout with my ATG. Once I have surprise stapled to my layout, I'm going to add a little banner that I created with my Cricut. So this is actually a hybrid layout as well. The little banner that I created says unwelcome. I used the draw function to write that and I attached it to that little banner arrow. And I'm going to attach that to the top of the word surprise with some liquid glue. I also take one of the chipboard shapes from the kit as well, and I'm going to put that over top of the title as well, but in between the second and the third picture in that row. The little chipboard shape that I add says no, just no on it, which I thought was perfect for this entire story. My journaling was typed out on my computer and then printed at home as well. And then I printed it a second time directly onto my layout. And just below that, I used my Cricut as well to write another phrase that says, no thank you, because nobody needs that in their lives. So here is the second page. Like I said, it's an oversized photo, so it is also 7 by 8¼ inches. I'm taking some of the clear phrase stickers from the kit. They're going to be adhered to the top left-hand portion of this photo. This is just a blown up picture of what the house looked like on the back side. So literally the fire just went up one place and that's where it stayed. Our neighbors were really quick and basically had it out before the fire department arrived. But the fire was so intense that the siding was all melted. My deck was written off. It was not safe to even stand on. So they tore it apart basically like right away. And then they got the rest of the structural stuff dealt with right away. The rest took time, but so that's a blown up shot of the house. And then the pictures on the other layout, the 2 by 3 inch ones, are just close-ups of some of the damage. I also add a puffy asterisk sticker from Ellie's Studio to finish this page off, as well as the date. And I'm just going to stamp that with some black ink from Close to My Heart using my roller date stamp. And that brings me to the end of this layout. I hope this layout inspired you. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Leave a comment if you so choose to, and definitely stick around for the close-ups, which are coming up right now. Take care, friends. I will be back again soon with more inspiration.